Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah.
Hi everyone, it's Harry from Edencraft, and we're here to present you with a brand new 233 formula, just out of the workshop, first sea trial, and it's a transom mount hardtop. This boat is what I call the perfect game boat. Yeah, some of you might disagree, but this to me is a perfect game boat. The size of the trailer, so it's a 7.1 metre boat. There's no pod on this particular formula, so it's a transom mount, your traditional classic transom mount. So the owner of this boat is old school, a bit like me. So he's gone for the Furuno, the old and trusty 295 with the two transducers, our high, wide, and our low, which basically does everything, as we all know, down to 200 metres and then beyond. And he's gone for a Garmin GPS. Garmin's really making some traction here with a lot of these game boats, and it's nice to see a combination every now and then, and that's what the owner of this boat's done. This boat's going to Burmese. It's going to pretty much live at Burmese and do most of its offshore work down at Burmese. It's powered with twin 200 V6 Mercuries, beautiful engines. We've coupled that up with 16 by 18 inch props, and does she go. That mid-range is unbelievable on this boat. So we fitted 20-foot precision poles on this for outriggers. We've got our Reelax 600 bases, which is a perfect combination for this setup with the hardtop. They fit beautifully and they stretch out and get you spread out there and look beautiful on the water as well. Live bait tanks. We all talk about live bait tanks. Well, you're not going to see a bigger live bait tank than in one of these 233 in the transom configuration. You can fit about 20 slimys in there, very deep, very wide, and Joel Ryan absolutely loves it. Well, what else can I say about this beautiful boat? I can talk all night about this boat, I really can. The performance is unparalleled. When you get behind one of these wheels, I know when I do, the guys just don't understand when they see me just with my big smile and just go a little bit crazy just behind the wheel, like you're behind a Ferrari or Lamborghini. That's how I feel when I get behind the wheel of a 233. I just want to say a very big thank you to Nev and Tom. Two great blokes. You'll see them walking around Burmese fishing out of this boat. They've come out of a much larger boat and they're wondering where to go. Where do you go when you're used to a big boat? We have a lot of our customers coming to us when they're downgrading from big boats, downgrading to a smaller boat, and they pick our boat because the performance is there. You haven't got the size, but these boats will stay out there, will go out faster than anything else in its size, and will stay out with the big boats for the end of if you're fishing comps especially. Our comp guys just absolutely love them.